When we're working with the seasonal index, as you've seen already, to deseasonalise, smooth the data, we get the actual data divided by the seasonal index. Now, there'll be some scenarios where we might be given one of these figures, either deseasonalised or the actual, and then have to convert between them. So in each of the three figures, we need to do either calculation of deseasonalised, actual sales, or perhaps the seasonal index. In the first instance, we're asked to get the deseasonalised sales figure. The actual figure was 13,750 and 1.35 for the seasonal index. So simple division. So $10,185.19. In the second one, we want the actual quarterly profit if the deseasonalised figure was 25,630 and the quarterly index is 0.93. So we get an actual figure of 2385.90, slightly smaller than the smooth figure of the 25,360. Now the quarterly unemployment index, if the actual was 125, the seasonally adjusted was 1.1. This could represent a period of, say, around Christmas time, perhaps where students come out of school and the unemployment rate is higher before smoothing. So to find the index, the actual divided by the deseasonalised. And we end up with a seasonal index, quarterly index in this instance, of 1.14. In the next part, we're given the four quarterly indices. You'll notice they add through, of course, to 4. Always worthwhile checking. We're asked to find the deseasonalised figures for quarter 4 if the store actually made 25,200 of sales. So 19,384 and 62 cents. The actual prediction for quarter 3, if we're given a deseasonalised figure of 12,500. So we end up with $7,500. In the hot chip situation, we're asked to deseasonalise Tuesday's sale if the actual sales were $750. So end up with $1,000. Now, you'll notice when we're given the original data, we weren't given the figure for Thursday. Now, what we've got to do there is to get hold of the number of days of the week, which is 7, and take from that the 0.65, etc. And when we do that on our calculator, we'll end up with 0.85. For the actual sales on Thursday, the deseasonalised figure is 620. That would make sense for them to be slightly lower than the Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now, we're asked to interpret the Saturday with a higher index of 1.60. So in other words, that's 60% more sales than for an average day. In other words, 1.60 times an average day.